To transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Crypto.com, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Binance and Crypto.com account. If not, create one by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Start by logging into your Binance account and navigating to the Wallet section. Here, you will find all your available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Click on the Bitcoin option and then select Withdraw. You will be asked to enter the withdrawal address, which is the address of your Crypto.com wallet. To find this address, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click on the Bitcoin option and then select Deposit. Here, you will find the deposit address, which is a unique string of characters that identifies your wallet. Copy this address and go back to your Binance account. Paste the address into the withdrawal address field and select the network, which in this case is the Bitcoin network. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer and any other required information. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount, address, and network. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Binance will then process the transaction and send the Bitcoin to your Crypto.com wallet. This may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion and the fees you paid. Once the transaction is complete, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Wallet section to confirm that the Bitcoin has been received. You can also check the transaction status on the blockchain using a block explorer. It is essential to double-check the address and the amount before confirming the transaction, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Additionally, ensure you are using the correct network, as using the wrong network may result in the loss of your funds. By following these steps, you can easily transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Crypto.com. Always prioritize security and be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrencies.